Wait. You're copy and pasting again? That's plagiarizing. As we all know, plagiarism nowadays is normalized and practiced by many students. It is done frequently to finish their homework faster, even though they are not considering its consequences. They don't even acknowledge the person who originally wrote the work they have copied. They easily copy someone else's work just so they can pass theirs and call it their own. Essays, drawings, and research. Anything. They can easily plagiarize something online. Control C at Control V lang naman, di ba? Because of plagiarism, we are disregarding our own potential. The creativity, the uniqueness, even our own skills. All of it is set aside just because of that. All of it is pushed away because of what? Students' laziness? Students that are unable to think of something original? Where's the essence of doing something for your own? The essence of doing something you courageously call your own if it lacks originality. Plagiarism kills the potential of students because it prevents them from being creative and unique. This will serve as a barrier that will hinder us from releasing and doing our best to accomplish our work with good quality. Doing this will hold us back to something that will guide us to the right path, to something that will guide us to our own improvement and development. What? We're just not gonna let our creativity work anymore? We're not gonna let our brilliant minds to function anymore? We cannot let that happen. Come on, guys. We are better than that. We must help ourselves to unleash, to try and create something of our own that is deserving to call it our own. Let us avoid and prevent ourselves from doing something that is not significant to us, that will not help us improve. Let the creativity and uniqueness alive and ignite. Let our brilliant minds work and unite to create a better world filled with this kind of positivity. We must act now. And plagiarism